Welcome. Today we are going to look at how we can add some new assignments to our modules. So we're going to start by clicking on Assignments. And after we click on Assignments, we are going to go up to the top and click on the Plus Assignment option. So we're going to create an assignment entitled Essay, and this assignment is going to have to be submitted via a file format. So we're going to scroll down and change the points and make sure the group is assignments. And then we want to make sure the submission type is online and we select File Upload. And then we restrict the type of files that can be uploaded. And then we're going to set any attempts and any other parameters that we want to make. And finally, we want to select Save and Publish. And right there, we can verify the assignment that we just created entitled Essay, and then it has to be submitted as a file and the file types that it's limited to. And if we go into modules, we can go ahead and assign this assignment to each of these modules. So each essay is going to be assigned to every single module each week, and that's going to create a different assignment due each week for each module. The thing to remember about Canvas is that all of these assignments are already integrated into the gradebook, so we don't need to create anything in the gradebook for them. The same thing with quizzes. Those are automatically integrated. So as soon as we create a quiz, it's already integrated into the gradebook. And that is how you add additional assignments requiring file uploads to Canvas.